Have you ever seen salespeople who just never seem to make it, no matter how hard they try? These salespeople are one of the main factors for decline in any business. Salespeople are the heart of any company, and without the good ones, it is difficult to succeed in selling the products. To train good salespeople, sometimes we need to take a very different approach. So, here are the 10 tips that will save you from becoming the worst salesperson in the company. Right? Number 1, not being punctual. Being on time is very important to a customer. Take into consideration that many of your seasonal customers will be new. You being a salesperson will represent your company as the first contact these customers have. First impressions are lasting ones, and as a salesperson, you need to make a very good impression. Being on time will give a good impression to the client and increase their confidence in your company. Number 2, poor presentation. A presentation is the first thing a customer will know about your product. If your product is not shown correctly to the customer, he is very unlikely to buy. That takes us to number 3, a bad attitude. Rudeness and unprofessional behavior is simply not acceptable under any circumstances. It is quite surprising that you will meet some salespeople who are just plain rude with the consumer. This gives the potential buyer the wrong impression about your company. They do not get a proper picture of the product, as they will probably not even wait for the presentation to end. That way, you will lose many sales like this. That takes us to 4th important point, not being articulate. A salesperson must know how to express himself with confidence and fluency. He needs to be able to greet the prospect and introduce himself with super confidence. This will start the whole presentation off to a good start. When he actually presents the product, he must be sure to do this in a confident manner. He should also be prepared to answer all questions concisely and well. If as a salesperson you cannot do this, your sale will not go through. 5th point, not listening to a customer. A salesperson should not be able to present the product but also listen to the prospective buyer. There is nothing more irritating to the consumer than having a salesperson go on and on about a product and not letting him speak or even ask a simple questions. After all, whose money is on the line here? Worse still is when you do finally get to ask your question, and instead of giving you a straight answer, they go off on a tangent and have clearly not been listening to you. This will make a customer angry and they will never probably do business with you. 6th point, basing a sale purely on cost or price. It is extremely risky for a salesperson to depend on price to close the sales. The prospective buyer will be quick to take advantage when he sees that the deal depends on the price factor. He will drive the price as low as he can, and you will have to take a heavy cut in your profits for the sake of one single closing. The buyer may hold off and then he may not even buy. 7th point, not knowing when to close a sale. This is a common fault, but a damn lethal one. Many sales have been lost because the salesperson does not even know when to close the sale. A good salesperson is in tune with the prospective buyer and knows instinctively when to move to close the sale. Hard sale, that's the 8th point. Hard sale is when salespeople try to push the sale on the prospective customer. This will make the buyer aggressive and he will try to get rid of you as soon as possible. It is a proven fact that nobody likes to be sold to someone who indulges in hard sell. It is said that people don't like to be sold, they like to buy. That takes us to the 9th point, inflexibility. A salesperson should be aware of different personalities and various situations. They must be flexible and able to adapt to different circumstances. The presentation may be the same, but the buyers are rarely the same. Each buyer wants to feel special and expects the salesperson to understand his circumstances. Inflexibility will cost you many sales. That takes us to the last but not the least, the 10th point. Not following up a hot prospect. Follow up is very important. It is actually plain good manners. You have spoken to a person who has expressed interest in your company's product but may not have been able to make a decision yet. It is courteous and good for business to follow up with them. You may even make a sale this way. If you as a salesperson does not know how to do this, you will simply end up losing valuable customers and sales. That's it. So today we have talked about the aspects which makes anyone a worst salesperson in any company. And keeping this in mind and working accordingly, an average salesperson has the ability to completely transform himself from worst to the best in their organization. What is your thought around the same? Do let me know in the comment section of this video. This is Manas Raul signing off for today. Remember, you are born powerful and you are here to make a massive impact. If you think this small little advice was valuable, I invite you all to join my Level Up Club. Specially, I have developed this for aspiring and existing entrepreneurs. Here, you get free VIP access to premium load content, ebooks, sales and marketing techniques, online and offline closing techniques, mind hacks, powerful visualization techniques to improve your self-image, business case studies, and access to digital marketing tools and funnels, templates, cheat sheets, worksheets, and whatnot. All this has been designed keeping the starters in mind and to make your life much easier. So if you are someone who believes in continuously upgrading yourself and someone who is hungry for success in his business, irrespective of whatever industry you are in, this club is for you. Because at the end, it's sales that matter and it's sales that generates revenue for any business. So just click on the link below and quickly register free and get access to Level Up Club. This community is going to be locked very soon and will be available only to paid users going forward. So hurry up, act now, register, and let's meet up inside Level Up Club.